Do not eat bread, try this delicious recipe for your breakfast. I will start our recipe by adding half a cup of oatmeal in a container and then half a cup of milk. Using a spoon we will mix well. In this way. Now I'm gonna peel 2 bananas. Tell me how you like to use banana and milk in your recipes. Now with the help of a fork I will mash the bananas. Guys, you won't believe how delicious this recipe is after it's done. Let's transfer the bananas to the bowl with the milk and oatmeal. I'm gonna mix it right up until I get to this point. Next, I will add an egg. Guys, make this recipe at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love it. I'll add a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Charlene Nair from South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I will also add a teaspoon of baking powder, and again mix well. In a pan, I will add some oil. Just a little is enough. Using a kitchen brush, we will spread well. With the help of a spoon, I will put small portions of our recipe inside the pan. Personally, this recipe is so delicious that even my friends ask me to teach it. We'll let it fry until we get to this point. I'm gonna turn over our recipe so you fry equally on both sides. Look how beautiful our recipe looks, and I'm sure you'll be surprised how good it looks. People, the best of all is that it yields so much that we can do more than one shot. If necessary, you can add a little more oil to prevent it from sticking. Again, we will add small portions of our recipe inside the pan. People, myself make this recipe at home almost every day. It is a great option for a differentiated breakfast. Again, when you arrive at this point, we will turn to fry equally on both sides. With a few everyday ingredients we can make an incredible recipe. I'm sure that recipe will go into your routine. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. I'll add some honey on top to give a special touch, but you can use the accompaniment you prefer. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.